I built this entire working portfolio website using AI, completely free. I didn't use any paid tools and didn't write any code. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step workflow I used to build this. So let's get straight to it. First, we need an inspiration website to copy the style and layout. This video is entirely for the entertainment purpose, so remember that. So first, we need to find the inspiration. So you can be used the Pinterest to find the inspiration website, or you can use the award website, or you can use the dribble website, or you can use the Behance website. There is a lot of options. I'll be choosing the Pinterest option. So first come over here and search for portfolio website. Oh, okay, design. Let's just go for that. And here you can see a ton of designs. We need to pick one. After going through a lot, I find the structure we can copy. So this is the structure we're gonna copy, and I like this side because the clean and more professional looking, so that's why I'm selecting this. And now we gonna download this. Now let's create the implementation plan for copying the style and layout and everything from that screenshot. Here I'm in Google Studio, and then go to playground, and here I'm gonna paste a prompt that will copy the style and everything and create an implementation plan to proceed. Paste the prompt. This is the prompt we are going to use, and that will create the implementation plan. Now let's add the screenshot, and we have added the screenshot and run. Now we have the implementation plan to proceed. Now let's use Lovable to copy the structure, style and everything that screenshot have. For that, let's paste this prompt over here that will go through the PDF file. So the PDF file is exactly contains the implementation plan. So let's add the PDF. This PDF contains the implementation plan. I copied the text from Google Studio and paste that to ChatGPT and convert that text into PDF file. And this is a PDF file. This prompt will read along with the PDF file and create the website for us. So let's enter, and we have created the website using Lovable. And when you scroll down, you can see, wait, let me see in full view. So this is the full view, and when we scroll down, yeah, everything animation is perfect, and we can get it. Okay, and yeah, Twitter, LinkedIn, Drupal, GitHub. Okay, everything looks fine. Now let's download this code and move this code to Antigravity to make this even better. So to download the code, come over to GitHub here and connect to GitHub. So this is the whole code of that website. So come over here and download in zip file, and it's downloading, and we got the code. Now let's move this to Antigravity. Now let's open the folder and select the file, select that. So this is basically all the code we generated using Lovable. Now here we can paste prompt and modify it, or you can customize it yourself. So first we gonna tell Antigravity to analyze everything in this code, and we can just like here and paste the prompt and enter. Now we have done the audit using that prompt, and this is the audit result. Now let's add this image in this folder as our hero section main. That's a created image of mine, so let's add that, for example. So let's press the prompt to make that happen and enter. After doing some changes, I mean a lot of changes, I completed this portfolio website. So let's see it. Voila, and this is the site. I added my image here, and yeah, wait, I will refresh it. You can see it. Wait, where is the reload? Okay, yeah, and this is the site. When we scroll down, you can see everything running fine. You can see the color changes here. Yeah, now let's go to work page. So this is the work page. When we scroll down, you can add images here, and when you scroll down, and that's it. Now let's let me show you the about page. So this is the about page, and it's really looking fine with my even the name here. Okay, and now we scroll down with my skills, my evidence, and this is a simple but really fine looking portfolio here. I created using this with Lovable and Antigravity, and that's it. This is how you can create custom free portfolio website using Antigravity, Lovable, and the structure we created using the Google Studio. And yeah, with combining 3 powerful AI tools, we created this adipoli, I mean really good looking website, portfolio. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.